another episode of Yo-Yo Kicks. Today I'm going to be showing you my Nike Air Max 1 Ultra 2.0. Got these last year for their 30th anniversary launch. These were originally put out in 1987, so 30 years, 2017. And of course, March 26th is National Air Max Day, because that's when this sneaker was first brought to life. And for the 30th anniversary, they released this limited edition version of the sneaker. And mine are the 2.0 LE, and I think that basically means the design is a little bit different, which at first I was kind of bummed about, because the Air Max 1s that I usually see are like really old school. They have the stitching all over, like, you know, the Nike sign stitched down, and then like the patching, the overlays are stitched down as well. My version has a combination of both. I have some stitching, but I also have just overlay. Nike claims that makes it look more modern and updated, but to me it just looks like they didn't feel like stitching down the freaking material. So I really am like kind of in the middle with the whole overlay thing. To me it makes it seem like it's cheaper, because it's almost like they probably just glued it down. Like, I don't want glue. I want you to stitch my Nike sign, especially if I'm paying freaking, I think I paid over $100 for these, and I wear kid sizes, so come on Nike, seriously. They are white and university red, and they have some gray in it as well. The overlays are gray. I really like the colorway. I have fun picking out a sporty outfit to rock with these shoes for this video. At first I was just going to wear like just red and white, maybe some black jeans or a white t-shirt, but I was like, you know what, there was a limited edition version of this shoe, or highlighter yellow, and just seeing that color combination, red, white with this neon yellow, I was like, yes, I would have never thought to pair this colorway. But yeah, so I saw those sneakers like on Instagram with the neon yellow or highlighter yellow. So I was like, let me put an outfit together. Stay tuned if you want to see my sporty outfit with these Air Max 1 Anniversary Edition. Remember, I told you guys I was going to feature retro caps in my sneaker series because their hats are so dope. It's a black owned business. The girl who cuts my hair, Shada Elise, her boyfriend is the owner of Retro Caps. So she's been promoting him, and I saw it on her page. So then I ordered a few hats, or maybe, yeah, I ordered a few hats at first, and then he reached out and was like he would send me more. So I told him I was doing a sneaker series, and I felt like his caps would just be so dope in the series. So yeah, I'm gonna shout him out on every episode, and today I have on his Stay Woke cap. Of course, this is inspired by Coca-Cola, but the message is even better. Stay woke. All of my necklaces are from onecklace.com. And I have on this neon windbreaker that I purchased a long time ago when I was doing my Queen collection, where I wanted to write Queen really big on like a lot of different items. So lucky to find this t-shirt that says The Strange Tour off of, I think I got it from Forever 21 online. And it was like perfect to match, like to tie in the red, because the letters are red. So I was like, yes, this t-shirt is perfect. And I'm wearing the t-shirt as a dress. I am so freaking sure I can get away with it, but I also could pair it with like some jeans or maybe like some denim shorts, but I wanted to wear it as a dress today. that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what Air Maxes did you rock yesterday for Air Max Day. Let me know if you have any questions, and I will see you in the next episode of Yo Yo Kicks. Mwah!